Evening Songs is an album collection of arrangements for cello and piano with songs by Frederick, Delius and John Ireland containing 3 world premiere recordings. The album was recorded by the cellist Julian Lloyd Webber in September 2011 for Naxos. Track listing: Sunset by Frederick, Delius, Spring Sorrow by John Ireland, Birds in the High Hall Garden by Frederick, Delius, world premiere recording. Evening Song by John Ireland, world premiere recording. In the Seraglio Garden by Frederick, Delius, Love's Philosophy by Frederick, Delius, Sea Fever by John Ireland, Over the Mountains High by Frederick, Delius, The Holy Boy by John Ireland, Serenade from Hassan by Frederick, Delius, Through Long Long Years by Frederick, Delius, Baby by John Ireland, The Three Ravens by John Ireland, Little Birdie by Frederick, Delius, Hope by John Ireland, Lad's Love by John Ireland, Slumber Song by Frederick, Delius, Summer Schemes by John Ireland, With Your Blue Eyes by Frederick, Delius, Her Song by John Ireland, In Summer Woods by John Ireland, world premiere recording. Personnel: Julian Lloyd Webber, cello, Jackson Chang, cello, John Lenihan, piano. References: External links: Julian Lloyd Webber's website, Evening Songs album reviews, Evening Song on YouTube excerpt from the title track of the album, Delius Society website, John Ireland Trust, Independent Newspaper Podcast, Gramophone Magazine Podcast.